guys, and welcome back to WhenWearHow lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet drink for you and your significant other to kind of seal the deal for Valentine's Day. So I call it the Nightcap. Sweet, right? Okay, so all you're gonna need is gin, Saint Germaine, some grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed lime, and some fruit. I use strawberries and raspberries because we're just trying to keep with the theme of Valentine's Day, right? So we want to keep those red and pinks in there. So that's all you're gonna need, and you're gonna need ice, okay? So let's get to the drink. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our strawberry hearts, right? So first you wanna clean your strawberries, of course, and you're gonna cut your head off, like so. Throw that guy over there. Then you wanna take your strawberry and cut it straight down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but cut it straight down. And then we can use that guy later. So now you wanna have your strawberry with the point facing you, and you wanna cut a V at the top here. So you wanna cut a V and a V, and then you wanna get that guy out of there. You don't need him anymore. Get him out. Bye. Right? It's okay if it looks a little janky, it's all right. So now you wanna take your edges and you wanna cut them like so on an angle, both sides. So we can turn it around so you can see. We'll cut this guy at an angle. Then you wanna cut the tips at the same. So you wanna cut them diagonal, kick it to the side. Same thing over here. Kick it to the side. And there you go. And let's straighten this guy out a little bit. And there you go. You got a heart for your strawberry. So that's first. You want to do those and have a few. I already cut a few, so that's why you'll see that mine are already done. You can do the same here with the other side, okay? Okay, so now we're finally gonna make the drink. So I already have my cut strawberries and I have some raspberries here. I already put my ice in my glass and I have a little bit of ice in my shaker. So we're gonna first pour our gin in. Remember, Tiffany doesn't measure. So you just do it by eye. However you want to, whatever kind of night you trying to have tonight, that's how you pour it. So I like to have a good night, so I'm gonna pour me a good amount, right? Pour a good amount of gin, and I'm using Hendricks. And then we're gonna sweeten it up a little bit because gin is somewhat bitter, you know, it has a little bit of a cucumber taste. So we're gonna sweeten it up with our Saint Germaine. Just add a little bit in there, right? Then we're going to pour our grapefruit juice. And I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon that I'm just gonna squeeze in here. And I'm also just gonna squeeze a little into my glass, just so that I can get ready. So now we're gonna shake it up. Make sure that's on tight. We don't want no accidents. Shake it. Front and in the back. Okay, so now before we pour, we're going to put some of our fresh fruit inside the glass. So I'm just gonna throw some raspberries in there and throw our cute little heart guys in here. Now the best part. Get that in there. You want to give all of it because y'all trying to have a good night. Pour it all in there. Right? So we get rid of that. Okay, so now it's time to garnish. So we're gonna make it look cute as possible. So we take our little stirrer here. We take our strawberry, our little heart strawberry. You wanna put it through the top. You may stab yourself. It is what it is. Let them lick it off. So you put your strawberry and you get a little raspberry, throw it on there. And then I'm gonna add another strawberry. Stick it through the middle, and then we want to lay it across so that it kind of looks like love for Valentine's Day. Ooh. Oh no, it's COVID, we can't kiss. But, so here's the nightcap. Trust me, you're gonna thank me after you drink this and you wake up tomorrow and you're gonna be like, girl, trust me. So I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy it. Definitely leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and check out the next video. Bye.